ibigay ko agad sa inyo. Breaking news from from GMA News Justice Committee. Pagkatapos, i-reverse pa sa plenary. So finally mga kababayan, tinuldukan na binaon. Ito siya.
Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Brian Poe of FPJ Panday Bayani.
Duterte Black declines to participate in the Marcos impeachment. Hindi sila nag-participate itong apat na to. Lagi man sila hindi nagpa-participate, lalo na po yung mga Duterte. Hindi man nagtatrabaho. Cancer stages. Si may colon, may butas na. Colon, stage 4. Comatose, period, patay na. Mamili ka, libing o cremation. ABS-CBN. Imbes magrekomenda ng kaso, ang draft report babaguhin ito para sabihing
nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
ibigay ko agad sa inyo. Breaking news from GMA News. Sabi dito, the House of Representatives voting 284-84 has dismissed the impeachment complaints against President Bongbong Marcos. Basa na namin kung ano yung mangyayari doon. Dinismiss na ng House Committee on Justice Committee. Pagkatapos, i-reverse pa sa plenary. So finally mga kababayan, tinuldukan na binaon. Tuluyan ng nilibing, binaon na Congress. Yung plenary, sa plenary na po yun, na session kanina para magbutuhan. Ito, iparinig ko sa inyo, ipakita ko sa inyo yung naging butuhan mga kababayan mula sa 20th Congress, first regular session. Ito siya.
Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Brian Poe of FPJ Panday Bayanihan, party list for his manifestation.
The Honorable Brian Poe has 2 minutes. Please proceed.
Mr. Speaker, esteemed colleagues, as the Assistant Secretary General of the Party List Coalition Foundation, Inc., or PCFI, I would like to formally manifest on behalf of our coalition's firm support for the committee report recommending the dismissal of the impeachment complaints against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The PCFI believes that this is a time for healing and unity, not for the deepening of the political divide. Our country is currently at a critical economic juncture. The demand of the times is to shift our full attention to the pressing needs of the Filipino people. The arguments have all been made. Those who spoke before me said it all. But allow me to voice the opinion of those who seek stability and a way forward for our country. Those at the center, away from the noise, doing the work and trying to survive. We are not ignoring accountability. Instead, our support for this committee report is rooted in our faith in the Philippine justice system. Justice is best served through impartial institutions. We express full confidence in the leadership of the Department of Justice led by OIC Secretary Frederick A. Vida and Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla, whose leadership has strengthened the country's anti-corruption efforts under their watch. They have pursued accountability decisively and without political bias. The House upholds the rule of law, allows independent institutions to do their work in seeking accountability for the Filipino people. This is the essence of Bagong Pilipinas: respect for institutions, protection of public trust, and stability for national recovery. We must work on regaining the trust of the Filipino people. We must fix our institutions. We must also focus on putting food on the table, giving our people jobs, taking care of their health, and sending their children to school. Financial institutions project our economy to grow between 5.2 to 5.6% this year. The Asian Development Bank itself says that there's a projected 5.7% growth for 2026. Just last month, the Philippines raised 2.75 billion to its first global bond issuance of the year. This offering was massively oversubscribed, with global bids reaching nearly $6 billion, more than double what we asked for. Our creditors aren't looking for political noise. They are looking for credit strength. And the Bureau of Treasury noted this, saying that it reflects global trust in our fiscal discipline that transcends market volatility. According to surveys, fourth quarter 2025 saw a 17-point drop in self-rated poverty and a 19% drop in food poverty. We must keep this momentum, and that is why PCFI remains committed to being a partner for economic growth and progress. We call on our colleagues in this august body and the public at large to move past distractions, uphold the rule of law, and focus on the collective prosperity of our nation. We must show the world that we are stable. Let us work for the welfare and victory of the Filipino people. Balik na po tayo sa trabaho natin.
Thank you
Maraming
very much,
salamat po.
Congressman Paul. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, there being no other members to make their manifestation, I move to adopt House Resolution number 746, as well as the findings, conclusions, and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 111, and direct the Secretary General to call the roll of members for nominal voting.
The Secretary General is hereby directed to call the roll of members for nominal voting.
Nominal. Isa-isa sila.
For adoption of House Resolution number 746, as well as the findings, conclusions, and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 111.
Finally, ibinauna.
Representatives Abalos, Abante, Asidre, Acosta, Atyong, Advincula,
Lahat yan for dismissal,
Agrao.
mga kababayan.
Agyao, Alano, Alba, Albano, Almario Chino Miguel, Almario Dennis, Almonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes, Amante, Amatong, Ang,
Pati pala si Alvarez, kapartido nila yan dati.
Angeles, Aquino, Aquino Magsaysay, Arbison Munir, Arbison Munir Jr., Arenas, Arrogancia, Asisio, Atayde, Aumentado,
Iyan ang magko-convict din kay
Ayon, Bagao,
magpipirma ng impeachment
Balindong.
laban kay Sara.
Banyas Nograles, Bangkoro, Barba, Barbers, Baronda, Bascoop, Bautista Claude, Bautista Joan Monique,
Pakinggan natin si Libisticon,
Lin,
pabor sa
Beltran,
dismissal.
Benitez Alfredo, Benitez Javier Miguel, Bernos Ching, Bernos JB, Piron, Bocobo, Bolilia, Bondok, Briones, Bulut Begtang, Cagas, Calderon, Calixto, Kawagdan, Cari, Castro, Tayton, Celeste, Sendanya, Ceniza, Chan Franz Norbert Joselito Almario, Chan Junard, Chua, Chuatay, Chungalaw, Ko,
Madam Speaker,
Yun so sa makabayan yan.
Madam Speaker, I vote no and I reserve my right to explain my vote later.
No, Siko. Sponsor sila kasi ng impeachment
Coangco
complaint.
Jaime Eduardo Mark, Coangco Mark, Poliantes, Corvera, Cruz Agatha, Cruz Ricardo, Cruzado, Kua, Dagook, Dalog, Dayanghirang, Daza, De Jesus, De Lima.
Madam Speaker, what's the pleasure of the Honorable De Lima? Since the voting is on the committee report as a whole,
then my vote is no, and I will explain later.
Thank you very
No
much.
siya.
Noted. Please proceed.
Kontra sa
Venecia,
dismissal.
Defensor, Degamo, Del Mar, De Los Santos, Di Macuja, Di Maguila, Di Maporo Imelda, Di Maporo City Amina, Diokno, Dionisio, Domingo, Domogan, Duterte Harold James, Duterte Omar Vincent,
Oh.
Duterte Paulo, D. Faustino,
Pati yung Duterte
D.
pala.
Faustino Michael Carlos, D. Ian Paul, Elago,
Madam
What's
Speaker,
his pleasure, the Honorable Lago?
my vote is no, and I reserve the right to explain my vote later. Thank you.
Noted. Secretary General, please proceed.
Emano, Enverga, Erice, Escudero, Espares,
Pati si Rizzi.
Espina, Estrella, Ferrer Antonio, Ferrer Jeffrey, Flores, Cortez, Frasco, Fresnedi, Fuentebella, Galang, Galeyos, Garbin,
So, ako
Garcia
Bicol
Alvarez.
siya. Si Garbin, si Pido,
Garcia
taga rito
Dante.
sa amin.
Garcia Jose Arturo, Garcia Karen Hope, Garcia Maria Angela, Guardiola, Garin, Gatchalian, Gato, Glepa, Go, Gomez, Gonzales Alexandria, Gonzales Alisa Micaela, Gonzales Christopher Sheen, Gonzales Roy, Goriseta, Wico, Gintu, Gulyas, Gutierrez, Hernandez Charis Ann, Hernandez Dennis, Hernandez Ferdinand, Hernandez Ramil, Hofer Hasim, Oribata, Ismula, Iway, Javier, Ko Antonio, Ko Elisa, Ko Wilton, Konghun, Ko, Labad-Labad, Lacson, Lagbas, Lagdameo Jose Manuel, Lagdameo Monique Yasmin Maria, Lagman, Lagon, Daphne, Lagon Sunny, Lara, Lasatin, Ledesma, Legacion, Legarda, Legazpi, Leviste,
Oh, pati si Libiste.
Lopez, Gloria,
Si Leandro.
Loyola, Luistro, Lumayag, Akapagal Arroyo, Makasaet,
Oh, pati si si GMA.
Madrona, Malapitan, Manguda Datu, Manikis, Maranyon, Marcoleta,
Madam Speaker,
Oh, si Marcoleta, kontra.
the party list votes no, and
No.
I reserve the right to explain my vote after the voting.
Duly noted. Secretary
Thank you.
General, please proceed.
Pero si
Marcos.
GMA,
Marquez,
dismissal.
Mastura, Matibag, Matugas, Mendoza, Mercado, Mercado Revilla, Miraflores, Momo, Montez, Nava, Nazal, Nisay, Nolasco, Owaminal Henry, Owaminal Sancho Fernando, Otucado, Olivares, Ongchuan, Ordanes, Oreta, Ortega, Juano Dizon, Patiernos, Panaligan, Pancho, Panotes, Pascual, Perez, Pimentel, Plaza, Plato, Poe, Primicias Agabas, Umaren, Puno, Kimbo, Rama, Recto, Regencia, Remulla, Revilla Brian, Revilla Ramon Jolo, Ridon, Rivera, Robes, Rodriguez Hilorio, Rodriguez Maximo, Rodriguez Rufus, Roman, Romualdez Andrew Julian, Romualdez Ferdinand Martin, Romualdez Yeda Marie, Romualdo, Romulo, Roque, Sagar Baria, Sakaluran, Salceda, Sally, Salvacion, Salvador, Salvame, San Fernando, Santos Maria Alana Samantha, Santos Mark Anthony, Shimura, Singson Michelle, Singson Ronald, Singson Mihan, Solon,
Pati yung Singson,
Swansing
pamilya yan
Ella
ni
Vanessa,
Chabit.
Swansing Micaela Angela,
Hindi
Suarez,
sinunod si Chabit.
Suntay, Talyado, Tan Ayman,
Pati si
Tan
Suntay,
Joseph, Tan Kit Mika,
kagrupo nila yan.
Tan Reynolds Michael, Tan Samir, Tan Stephen James,
PDP yata yan si Suntay.
Chay, Tanuatco, Tariela, Teodoro, Tereng, Tebes, Tiangco, Tieng, Tinyo,
No, si Tinyo.
Madam Speaker, I vote no and will
Oh,
explain
no.
my vote later.
Noted. Secretary General, please proceed.
Tolentino, Tuan, Tulfo Jocelyn, Tulfo Ralph Wendell, Tupas, Tutor, T, Umali, Ungab, Uy De Carlo, Uy Roberto, Valeriano, Vargas, Vargas Alfonso, Veloso, Veloso Tuazon, Vergara, Villa, Villaferte Miguel Luis, Villaferte Vicencio Renato Luigi, Villanueva, Villarica, Violago, Yamsuan, Yap Arthur, Yap Christopherson, Yap Eric, Yap John Gisnel, Yatko, Inares, Yu Jazel Victoria, Yu Joseph Kim, Yulo, Zamora Maria Carmen, Zamora Isabel Maria, Zubiri.
Hmm. Ano na? Oh, 284 yan mga kababayan. Ang bumoto to dismiss. 8 yung abstention, 4 lang yata yung kontra. So yan mga kababayan yung breaking news ngayon. Nilibing na impeachment complaint. So ito yung breaking news ngayon mga kababayan. Sabi dito, yung impeachment complaints, the House of Representatives has adopted the recommendation of the Committee on Justice to dismiss the 2 impeachment complaints against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. with 284 lawmakers voting in favor of adopting the panel's report. During the House session, Batangas Representative Gervin Luistro read the committee report as contained in the House Resolution number 746. Which was approved by the committee ngayong araw na to. After Luistro presented the report, the recommendations were adopted with only 8 lawmakers present voting against them. 8 pala yung against. Sabi dito, the committee formally dismissed the impeachment complaints against Marcos Jr. after 39 members of the panel voted to approve the committee report. During the hearing, the report was presented, sparking discussions after members of the Makabayan Bloc questioned why the decision to deem the 2 complaints insufficient in substance, claimed that there were no factual allegations made. Binigyan na po sila ng pagkakataon na mag-present, i-substantiate, di ba? Hindi man na-substantiate nila yung allegation. Voted, mga kababayan, by the majority to dismiss. Eventually, the matter was put to a vote with only 4 members opposing the report. 4 lang po. The 2 complaints were filed against Marcos. Lawyer Andre De Jesus submitted an impeachment complaint last January 19, while members of the Makabayan Coalition filed their own petition last January 22. Mga kababayan, ang balita ngayon, nilibing na po yung impeachment complaint laban sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ngayon, ito yung report dito ng Impact Leadership. Duterte Black declines to participate in the Marcos impeachment. Hindi sila nag-participate. Itong 4 na to, lagi man sila hindi nagpa-participate, lalo na po yung mga Duterte, hindi man nagtatrabaho. Kahit hindi sa impeachment po, lahat ng usapan sa Congress, ang participation nila mangintriga. Pero yung trabaho as legislators, wala. Ang expertise nila magpakalat ng intriga. Pero basahin ko sa inyo yung balita dito kung ano yung ibig nilang palabasin. Members of the Duterte Black in the House of Representatives have announced that they will neither participate nor vote. Ba't hindi kayo nag-register ng no? Talagang mga batugan kayo, hindi kayo nagtatrabaho. Magre-register lang ng no, hindi ninyo magawa. Paya kasi kayo, pati si GMA, bumoto para i-dismiss yung kaso, impeachment case laban sa ating Pangulo, o di ba? Si Libiste, si Leandro, yung bagong hero ninyo, si Kiko Barsaga, hindi na yun makapag-participate kasi for expulsion na yun. Suspended, another 60-day suspension yung inabot ng loko Kongresmyo. Kahit pa siyam yung buhay niya, expulsion. Yan kasi, sabi dito, hindi daw sila magpa-participate, citing principle in conscience. Kung may prinsipyo kayo, di sana nagbumoto kayong no. Kontra kayo dapat sa dismissal. Wala hindi kayo nag-participate, hindi kayo nag-register na. In a joint statement, Representative Paulo Duterte, Davao City 1st District, Omar Duterte, Davao City 2nd District, Isidro Unga, Davao City 3rd District, in Harold Duterte, PPP, party list, they could not lend their name or votes to a process they believe has been influenced by political consideration and lacks a genuine pursuit of truth and accountability. Di nag-no sana kayo para klarado yung posisyon ninyo kaysa hindi kayo nag-participate. Buti niya, umalis na kayo sa Kongreso kasi wala kayong pagkinabang. Sinira yung pagkatao nitong matandang to. Jason siya. Ito yung pinapakalat niya. 2 hours ago, cancer stages. See my colon, may butas na. Colon, stage 4. Comatose, period, patay na. Mamili ka, libing o cremation. Tapos si Cathy Binag. Yan ang page niya, Cathy Binag. Colon cancer. Yung page naman ng Duterte supporters, ganun din. Breaking niya, colon cancer. Tapos, react naman yung mga ututo nilang mga taganga, mga followers. Cara David, effective daw yung wish ni Cara David. Wala nang pag-asa kung stage 4 na yan. 1 month na lang to live. Sabi ng isa pa. Kaya double time sila sa impeachment. Kasi matik yan. Ngayon, idagdag ko na itong balita dito kasi sabi ni Pulong, have we really forgotten the trillion peso flood control anomaly? Or are we being made to forget? Just months ago, the nation was demanding answer and then suddenly parang bula nawala. Diversionary tactic daw kasi itong mga ginagawa. This is a diversion, sabi dito sa balita ng News 5. Question ni 1st District Davao Representative Paulo Duterte ang anyay tila nakalimutan ng usapin sa maanomalyang flood control project. Yung impeachment daw sa kanyang kapatid, si Chucky. Diversion. Gate niya, abala noon ang bansa sa paghanap sa kasagutan ukol dito. Pero, papalitan umano ito ng diskusyon sa iba't ibang issue tulad ng impeachment ng kanyang kapatid, ang minimin niya. Pero kung impeachment sa ating Pangulo, ayos. Ang gusto nilang ma-impeach yung ating Pangulo, yung ka-impeach na kapatid niya na nagbanta sa ating Pangulo, ayaw pag-usapan yung impeachment. Mga ugali ng mga taong yan. Habang abala ang publiko sa ingay at drama, ang pinakamalaking anomalya sa kasaysayan ng flood control spending ay unti-unting itinutulak palabas ng usapan, sabi ni Duterte. Ngayon, nabasa yung kanyang sinasabi, nabasa ni Trillanes. may sagot si Trillanes. Sabi ni Trillanes, mga kababayan, hayaan mo niya, aabolin ko yung flood control na kinasangkutan mo dyan. Sabi ni Trillanes, mga kababayan, hayaan mo, Pulong, hindi ko kinakalimutan, aabolin ko pa. Abulin ko pa rin yung 51 billion mo. Kasag si Pulong, former Senator Trillanes sa spot Davao City, Representative Pulong on notice saying would still pursue accountability over the alleged 51 billion budget insertions linked to flood control projects in the legislative district of former President Rodrigo Duterte son. Sabi dito sa Billionaire News report. Hayaan mo, Pulong, hindi ko kinakalimutan. Abulin ko pa rin ang 51 billion mo. Trillanes wrote in a social media post. He made the remarks after Duterte claimed that public attention on the flood control controversy was fading, describing the issue as diversion amid ongoing impeachment proceedings in heightened debate over the West Philippine Sea. Abang abala ang publiko sa ingay at drama, sabi ni Pulong, ang pinakamalaking problema niya sa kaysaysayan ng flood control spending, unti-unting itinutulak palabas ng usapan. The Filipino people deserve more than distraction, sabi niya. Accountability cannot be erased by noise, nor can corruption disappear just because it is inconvenient to confront. Ayan tuloy. So, yun ang sagot ni Trillanes, mga kababayan. Hindi pala nakakalimutan. Hahabulin. Di na niya, Mr. Maravillas, ang progress ng balita sa flood control. Medyo malungkot ang balita kasi parang lumalambot po si Ping Lacson. Ibigay ko na sa inyo itong balita na medyo nakakalungkot. Parang lumambot. Ito, report ng ABS-CBN. Imbes magrekomenda ng kaso, ang draft report babaguhin ito para sabihing isa lang muna sa preliminary investigation o case build-up ang mga aligasyon dahil DOJ at Ombudsman lang ang may kakayahang magrekomenda sa korte. Ane Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chair Pampilo Lacson. Sabi ni Lacson, no substantive revision and Blue Ribbon report despite change in language. Babaguhin nila yung language. Yung una sa initial report, recommending for filing of plunder against Chis Escudero, against Jingo Estrada, against Joel Villanueva, and other involved based sa testimony na nakuha sa investigation ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Biglang dumambot po kasi yung attend nga po sa Senado, sa leadership ng Senado. At kailangang 11 signature. Nakita ninyo ang brasuhan? Possibly, pag hindi mo binago yung recommendations mo, hindi kami yan pipirma. Malinaw na cover up ang ginagawa, mga kababayan, ng mga senador. Nakita ninyo? A draft report recommending a slew of criminal and administrative charges, including plunder against Senator Chis Escudero, Joel Villanueva, and Jingo Estrada, among others. Lacson said his colleagues from the majority suggested baka naman pwedeng isoften. Minasahe po, sabi ko sa inyo, kampi-kampihan po sila. Kaya dapat i-abolish na yan na Senado. Kung hindi, i-abolish, i-kuha na lang natin, i-demolish yan na Senado. Walang pakinabang na po ang Senado natin. Marami pa dyan, mga senador ng senator. Soften na hindi ma-sacrifice yung intent. Hindi mababago yung substance kasi sabi ko nga, may baseline ako. Diba? Bottom line ko, hindi ko talaga i-report out yung hindi ako naniniwala. Kasiraan ito ng Senate Committee ni Ping Lacson. Lacson later clarified he was referring to the phrase recommended to be charged to recommended for preliminary investigation na naman. So parehas lang, magsisimula sa zero. Nag-imbestiga pa kayo, nag-imbestiga na kayo, na found out ninyo yung gravity ng involvement ng mga senador sa flood control scandal. Pagkatapos, ang recommendation ninyo, investigasyon uli. Anong klase yan? Nag-imbestiga na, tapos magre-recommenda kayo, another investigation? Ano yan? Kasi ayaw pumirma yung mga kasama ninyo. Malinaw na gusto ninyong proteksyonan yung kapwa ninyo mga senador. Despite the evidences na na-discover ninyo, the testimonies linking these senators, mga Duterte senators, sino pang maniniwala sa inyo niya? Malinaw, mga kababayan. So, imbes daw, yung phrase na recommended to be charged, yun na so tama kasi nagsagawa na kayo ng investigasyon. Di dapat ang recommendation na found out ninyo, talagang may malakas na ebidensya, o di i-charge na. Pero yung gagawin ninyo, recommended for preliminary investigation. Na kayo mag-imbestiga pag ganyan? Kaya na ninyo yung ombudsman. Huwag na ninyong i-report. Huwag na kayong maggawa ng report. Tigbakin na lang ninyo. Ibaunan ninyo sa limot yung Blue Ribbon investigation ninyo, committee report. Kalimutan na ninyo yan. Kung yan man lang, nag-investiga pa kayo. Wala man palang recommendation. May recommended to discharge na dati. Babaguhin ninyo kasi ayaw pumirma yung iba ninyo mga kasama. O di wag na lang. Kaysa naman gagawa-gawa kayo ng investigation tapos gagawa kayo ng report. Wala mang kakwenta-kwenta. Hindi naman namin pwedeng i-recommend sa court na i-charge sa court kasi only the DOJ and the Ombudsman are authorized to file the information for any person to be charged before the court. Diba? So, kinokorek na lang namin yun. Minasahin na ninyo. Hugas kamay kayo. Napakalinaw, napakabigat ng mga ebidensya, ng mga testimonies. So, ano yun? Kasi ang charge is parang generic yan, pero ang connotation pagdating sa layman, ordinary people like us, parang ang dating kaagad, naka-charge ka sa court. Alam naman yon, recommended nga. Alam naman namin ng mga mamamayang Filipino kung naka-charge na sa court o hindi. Recommendation ninyo to be charged sa ombudsman. Ang ombudsman ang mag-recommend ng kaso sa korte. Alam naman namin ng ordinaryong Pilipino. And that is the usual na ginagawa sa mga investigation ng Senado noong mga panahon. Bakit ngayon nababago? Kahit sa Congress, recommended to be charged kasi nagsagawa na ng extensive investigation. Kung ang recommendation ninyo is to investigate, ano na nangyari sa investigation ninyo? Nag-imbestiga pa kayo. So, lumalabas walang kinahinatnan yung investigasyon ninyo kasi uulit ng investigation. Walang kakwenta-kwenta, nagsagawa kayong investigation, grabe gastos ninyo sa mga committee hearings ninyo. So, pagkain, snacks, etc. Yan ang magkano ang gastos ninyo dyan. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless. Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Naing siya red mix fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.